Hey ladies and gents, I am back today and my client came in and she requested some micro loop crochet here. This will be my very first time doing something like this, so I want y'all to bear with me. She said she seen some of my work and she knew I was going to be able to do this service on her. First thing first, we are going to wash and blow dry her out today. Her hair is really long and it's so beautiful. Like, OMG. Like, I want my hair to be just like this when I am around her age. She also requested that I give her a trim once I am done blow drying her hair. So I will be sure to make sure I get that done for her. This is her first time coming to visit Beauty of Royalty. So I would like to make sure I give my client exactly what she asked for. If you guys still have not noticed that I am still using this famous blow dryer that I love so dearly, it does its duties, and look at the outcome of this blow dry. We are going to go ahead and braid her down. This is my braid down for the crochet method that I usually do because it makes it look really natural and I'm able to install much hair as I possibly can. These are the loops I will be using today. I like that they came pre-looped. And also the hair is human hair. So that means it's going to last a lot longer and it's also going to look very natural. If you pay close attention, I am trying to show you guys how I am looping this on to her hair. Mind you, her hair is gray, so I am going to make sure I cover much as I can. And this is the process and the steps I am taking to achieve this look. I believe she said she got her hair off of a website online. I can't tell you exactly where she got it from. If you guys are interested, you can comment down below. I will get the information and I will send it directly to you if you are interested in this service. Now, this is the outcome. I hope you guys like it. It looked so nice and full. Comment down below and let me know